Marlins going for their third straight win over the Giants. Brian Anderson and Justin Bour getting in those swings before the game, and it would pay off. We pick up the action in the fourth. 2-1 the Giants in front. 2 men on for Lewis Brinson facing Andrew Suarez.
Ground ball, Crawford diving off his glove. One will score. And now Maven's going to try and make it. Crawford's throw. And it's going to nail Maven at the plate. Marlins do tie the game up, though. And Bour with a base hit. He fisted it to center field. Here comes Realmuto. Tie game. Marlins have done it again. It's been a comeback series.
It certainly has.
Ground ball up the middle. Posey rounding third, and he is going to come in. And Evan Longoria with an excellent at-bat. Fouled off some tough pitches. And he gives the Giants the lead again.
He's a tying man. Pitch to Bour. Drive out toward deep right center field. Justin Bour has tied this game. It's off the wall. Extra bases. Bour pulls in at second base with a double. He comes through against the lefty. And it's 4-4 in the eighth.
So here he is, Brian Anderson. He's got a chance to win it for the Marlins. And a shot to center. It does drive back Hernandez. He's got an excellent arm. Here's Rojas. Throw coming to the plate. He slides it in there.
There you go.
The Marlins have won it on a walk-off.
Get him.
The Marlins win their third in a row, walking off on the Giants 5-4. It's their third walk-off win of the season. Brian Anderson, his first career walk-off RBI. It's just the second time this season Miami's won 3 straight. Justin Bour delivers 2 hits and 2 RBIs, while JT Realmuto finishes with 2 hits and scores twice.